Viewers, today we will discuss about the introduction of surface areas and volume. We will solve example sum, exercise 13.1. The frequently asked question in this sum is, why we are subtracting the area of the circle pi r square. So let us see how to solve this problem. In this problem, we are calculating the surface area of the block. So how we are calculating? TSA of the cube minus base area of the hemisphere. The base area of the hemisphere is a circle. The area of the circle is pi r square. So we are subtracting the pi r square value plus CSA of the hemisphere, curved surface area of the hemisphere, 2 pi r square. So TSA of the cube is 6 into edge square. So total surface area of the cube is 6 into edge square, and we are subtracting the area of the circle pi r square. We are adding the CSA of the hemisphere. So another doubt is, why we should take TSA of the cube? We can take curved surface area of the cube, no? Why we should take total surface area of the cube? This is one doubt. And why we are subtracting pi r square? This is another doubt. Now, the decorative block shown in the figure is made of two solids, a cube and a hemisphere. The base of the block is a cube with the edge 5 cm and the hemisphere is fixed on the top. The base of the solid is a cube and the hemisphere is fixed on the top. Now we have to calculate the surface area for this decorative block. Now forget about the formula. Now observe this figure carefully. This is a cube. It has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are totally 6 faces in this cube, and in one face the hemisphere is mounted. So we have to calculate the area for 5 faces. This is the sixth face with the hemisphere fixed on it. So forget about this sixth face. Now we have to calculate the area for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a square. So each side of the cube is a square. So we have to find the area of the square. The formula to find the area of the square is a square. So a square, here a square, a square, a square for 5 faces. For the sixth face, we have to calculate the area of the hemisphere plus this portion which is in orange color. So we have to calculate the surface area for the 5 faces of the cube plus area of the curved surface area of the hemisphere plus this portion, the portion which is in the orange color. How to calculate this? First, this is a square. So this square minus this is a circle. So the square minus circle. So area of the square minus area of the circle. After removing this, here is one circle is there, no? So area of the square minus area of the circle, we get the area of this shaded portion. So to calculate the area of this shaded portion, we have to subtract area of the circle from area of the square. So surface area of block, surface area of the decorative block equal to 6 faces of the cube. 5 faces with the square area. The square plus 6th face with hemisphere fixed on it. Five into area of the square. Area of the square plus 6th face is this one, shaded portion. We have to calculate the area for this shaded portion plus this hemisphere. We have to calculate the area of the hemisphere separately. So curved surface area of the hemisphere. Area of the cube 5 faces plus this shaded portion plus this curved surface area of the hemisphere. So 5 into area of the square is a square plus this shaded portion is area of square minus area of circle plus CS of the hemisphere is 2 pi r square. So this shaded portion area of the square minus area of the circle. So 5a square plus area of the square formula is a square minus area of the circle formula is pi r square plus 2 pi r square. 5a square plus into plus plus a square plus into minus minus pi r square plus 2 pi r square. 5a square plus a square is how much? 6a square. How to subtract 1 pi r square from 2 pi r square? So answer is 2 pi r square minus 1 pi r square is 1 pi r square. Write the greater number sign plus sign. So tell me finally what we have obtained. This is the total surface area of the cube, isn't it? This is the total surface area of the cube plus this is the so the value of A is 6 into the value of A is 5 square plus pi value is 22 by 7 into r square value is diameter equal to 4.2, radius equal to 2.1, so 2.1 square. 6 into 5 5s are 25 plus 22 by 7 into 2.1 into 2.1, so cancel this 0.3. So 6 into 25 is 150. 22 into 0.3, 6.6 into 2.1, 66, 125. So 2 digit 13.86. 13.86. 150 plus 13.86 is 163.86 centimeter square. So surface area of the block is 163.86 centimeter square. So why we are subtracting the area of the circle? To obtain the area of the shaded portion, we are subtracting the area of the circle from the area of the square. What formula we should use? Curved surface area formula or total surface area formula? If you understand the basic concept very well, you can identify whether we have used curved surface area or total surface area. Here the basic concept is that we are calculating the surface area for 5 faces of the cube plus 6th face of the cube with a hemisphere fixed on it. So finally 5a square plus a square is 6a square. Now we can understand that we have used the formula, total surface area formula.